Number 7, we're supposed to evaluate a function f at an input value of 4x minus 3. So this is what we're going to evaluate. And this is the rule they give us. They say for any function, for our function f, we put in any input, x is your input, you take 3 times that input squared minus the input plus 5. It just so happens that our input is a variable expression itself. So we're going to input at 4x minus 3, and we refer to this as the plug and the chug. So we're going to plug in the 4x minus 3 everywhere we see an x. So this x comes out, we plug it in. This x is going to come out, we're going to plug it in. So minus, you got to make sure that you put the input values in parentheses so that you distribute correctly. So minus the 4x minus 3 in parentheses plus 5. Okay, now we're going to do our order of operations. Exponents come first. When you square a binomial, you get a trinomial. So we have done some of these where we've done it a little bit faster. We square the first one, that is 16x squared. Now you multiply these two together and then double it. So that's a negative 12x, doubles a negative 24x, and then square the last one, which is plus 9. So we square the first, square the last, double the outside inside as a quicker way of squaring a binomial. Another thing to remember, when you square a binomial, you get a trinomial. So make sure that you're getting a trinomial. Then we're going to distribute your negative, which is a negative 4x plus 3 plus 5. We still got to run through with our factor of 3 out front, so this needs to be distributed 3 times. 1 to our 16, so that's a 48x squared. Then we got to distribute the 3 to the negative 24, it's a negative 72x. And the 3 to the 29 is plus 27 minus 4x, and I'm just going to go ahead and add those up. It's an 8. So our like terms, there aren't any other x squareds. We have a negative 72x and a negative 4x is a negative 76x. And we add our like terms of 8 and 27, so that's plus 35. So this is the value of our function evaluated at 4x minus 3. It's just another algebraic expression.